The East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association, led by Assistant Organising Secretary Edison Suting, met with Superintendent of Police Traffic Branch Kamakhya Prasad on the 31st of May 2024 to discuss the issue of fake stickers and number plates being used by some local taxis in the district. Speaking to reporters, Edison Suting revealed that on the 30th of May 2024, members of the association had identified and apprehended a taxi driver using a fake number plate and sticker. This incident marks the fifth occurrence of such a violation. A case has been registered at the SP's office, and the traffic head has assured the association that the matter will be addressed seriously to prevent future occurrences.
Everyday berkis ke berjamanan mah mengi obat ke local taxi waktu penkam thok ke stiker artli number plate they use kejuk stiker kejuk number plate de everyday berkis menen dengan kedua umtas ni ya USP traffic everyday buat kejunya keren umtas ni USP traffic kena kali yang USP traffic tu la syumkiai ya kali kakis ke berjamanan everyday ketuk fix stiker buat fake number plate jong kali local taxi de ulong ba kani kaki sementara kala don kini hapo SP office de unchim kya de ngi na kaliang jko East Sales local taxi association ikan tujur ya kitu ki association boro ki bahap hapo shatri jong ka East Sales taxi association bakin petngor ya kikot kisla jong kali khnang ba nani khmat kanum jashu ba kanum donshu kum kani ka jingli atu ya stickers ni ya kikot kali khnang ba kan long kata ka bayat bet ya nanti hak kam bijam kibangi kamai malakasri de habangnya kran bat SP hani po office de kabor ka de bet na po government de nakali ji is ka sales ni pressure ya government bakan simkhya ya kan kam habai dei khamtam hakani ka rapido kibai kamai arsyaka kibla kamai bean klaim kikot kisla klaim ki permit wan akalia ka DTO ru kila ai jingbet bakin ban apply ke permit hende girang don tanggi khindiat ngut kiba apply ke permit hende babun tidai bi kamai laitlan bi kumto klaim gono kikot kisla bet babyang ke nakaliang USP piong ba idon kam sikentien na ka government ba kanai ke order kenang baki kila bantel akam ya kita ki arsyaka deng ni nak liang ke East Sales local taxi welfare association ngap ni pressure dak ba tinggi ya government habide begini kiba mo mangkapur kaja sija kuni tingi kwa ba government kan simkya de nak liang ke East Sales su ngin sa syong meeting nungin penbet bengin mi se government bengin ya keren bar government de tang tai